So we're almost done learning all about Asana. But before we go, there's a couple important features of Asana that aren't main projects or categories that are still really important to know when using Asana. So the first thing is tagging team members. So much like we talked about in Slack and on tons of other social media sites, tagging someone is important so that they get a notification about it. If I just type a comment, it doesn't necessarily mean someone's going to see it. Even if they're following it, they may miss that notification because those seem less important. So let's try tagging a team member to make sure they get a special notification about my comment. So we'll go into the comment box of our task, and we want to use the @ symbol, and then we can start typing a team member's name. So let's say I want to tag Leah and ask her a question. I can start typing L, and there it comes up right away, Leah Richards. So I can click here or finish typing her name, and she'll come up as being tagged in this message. And then I can continue to type out my question to her, comment, and then she'll receive this notification. You can also like different messages within tasks, kind of like how we talked about on the inbox, how those little thumbs up are on the side of the page. You can do those within a task. So recently, Leah added this Asana 101 to create the videos I'm creating right now. Over on the right-hand side of the task, there are little thumbs up where you can like the message to let someone know that you've seen it or you're working on it, or whatever kind of message you want to send. There's also a Files section at the top of your tasks and in different projects. In this Files section, you can see different pictures or information or other files that you've uploaded to Asana, archived right here. So if you need to go back and find these different images, they'll be saved in your Files archive. Another helpful tool on Asana is the search bar. So if you have a task that you know you need to do, but maybe you're not sure what board it's on or what project it belongs to or how to find it, you can type in the task and see if you can find it that way. So let's try to find my check email task. You can start typing check, and here's some different tasks that have check email. This check Spoonjoy email is actually tasks of someone else, and here's my check email task. You can click on it and it'll pull up the task itself right before you. And here's the task we just made about checking our email. So obviously Asana has a lot going on. There's a lot of different capabilities and awesome tools that you can use within Asana, and it's a great way to stay organized. But sometimes it gets a little confusing. So if you need additional help, you can go to the question mark in the top right-hand corner of any screen on Asana. Here, there's a couple different options for you to choose from, where you can watch more tutorial videos. You can actually contact people for support, see different keyboard shortcuts like Command S to add a subtask, ways to use Asana, and different help with features. So you can click on these different things to be taken to Asana's guide page, where they have tons of different information about how to use Asana to its fullest. So like Slack, you're welcome to come to this area, find out new information, new tools that you think we should implement or you want to implement yourself. Feel free to share with anyone. We love to learn new things. So that's Asana. There's a lot going on, so if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to people either through Asana or through our Slack page, and we'll certainly help you figure out whatever needs to be done.